The HBN Wi-Fi Smart Plug is easy to use and works with Alexa, Google Home, Tuya Smart, and Smart Life. To use the outlet with Tuya Smart, first download the Tuya Smart app, which can be downloaded with the Apple or Google App Store. Once downloaded, register your account. In the Tuya Smart app, go to the Home on the bottom of the screen, and then tap Add Device. Under Electrician, select Socket Wi-Fi. Enter your home Wi-Fi and password when prompted. Please ensure that the password and Wi-Fi names are entered correctly. Note that the outlet can only work with 2.4 GHz networks. Next, plug in the outlet and turn it on. While it is on, hold the power button on the top of the device for 5 seconds. The power button should begin rapidly blinking blue, signifying pairing mode. Check Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blink, and then tap Next. Wait for the Tuya Smart to add the device. Now the device is successfully added. Tap Done. Another way to pair the device is by entering the Wi-Fi password. Then, at the top right, tap Net Pairing Mode, then tap AP Mode. Next, power on the device and hold the button for 5 seconds until the indicator light blinks fast. Then hold it again until it blinks slowly. Confirm that the indicator is blinking slowly, and then you'll be prompted to connect your mobile phone to the device's hotspot. Tap Go to Connect, which will take you to your phone's Wi-Fi setting. Select the network beginning with Smart Life and connect to the network. Then go back to the app and a loading screen will appear. Wait for Tuya Smart to scan, register, and initialize. Your device is now synced with Tuya Smart. From the home screen, you can toggle the outlet on and off. If you tap on the outlet name, which will take you to a new menu, you can also toggle the outlet on and off here, as well as access other features. Tap the top right pencil icon to change the name of your outlet. Tap Left Time and pick the amount of time you want to set a countdown timer for that will turn the light on or off at the end. You can also tap Schedule and set a schedule by picking your time, what days you want the schedule to be active, notes, if you want a notification or not, as well as if the switch is turning on or off. We will now move to how to control your outlet using your voice using either the Amazon Alexa or Google Home. We will start with the Amazon Alexa. Before you connect your outlet to Alexa, make sure you have the Amazon Alexa app and a registered account. First, log in, then tap the icon on the top left, and then tap Skills and Games. Tap Search on the top right, and then type in Tuya Smart app, and then select the Tuya Smart app and tap Enable to Use. Type in the same login information you use for the Tuya Smart app. Next, tap Authorize. Now that Tuya Smart has been successfully linked with Amazon Alexa, you can control the outlet in the Alexa app by tapping on Devices, then tapping on Plugs, and toggling on and off beside the device name. If you do not see the outlet, go to Devices, then tap on the plus at the top right of the screen, then Add Device. Scroll all the way down to Other and tap Discover Devices. Ensure that the name of the plug in the Alexa app is the same as the name in the Tuya Smart app. If they're not the same, Alexa will not be able to recognize the plug. You can also change the device name by tapping on the plug, then tapping on the gear icon at the top right, then Edit Name. You can now control the plug by voice as well. Please be sure to call the outlet by name listed in the app. Alexa, turn on bedroom lamp. Alexa, turn off bedroom lamp. Build groups in the app to control multiple devices at once. Adding or removing new smart products should be done through the Tuya Smart app. Alexa will automatically sync. To connect with Google Home, make sure you first have the Google Home app and have a registered account. Tap the plus icon and then tap Set Up Device. Tap Have Something Already Set Up and search for Tuya Smart, and then tap on Tuya Smart. Sign in if prompted to do so with the same login credentials you use for Tuya Smart. Tap Agree and Link. Choose the device, hit Next, and then choose the home and tap Next again. Designate where this device is and tap Next. Now you can toggle the switch on and off in the app, as well as via Google Home Voice. OK Google, turn on bedroom lamp. OK Google, turn off bedroom lamp. Your device is now synced with Google Home. For more information, please consult the manual that came with the product.